I wanted to explain to you the setting method of the controller. The first is the VT button. If you push one time, this one change by T. And if you push one time, change V. The T meaning is the vacuum packing by times. V meaning is the vacuum packing by vacuum degree. And then the set button. If you push set button, 5 seconds, this one will be changed the display. So if you want to vacuum and sealing and cooling, if you want to vacuum degree, you want to higher left, you can up button. And if you want to reduce the set value, you can reduce by down. And then next step, you can push right button or left button. It will be changed. And then you have to the push enter, so this one can save the set value. And then I want to explain to you the M1 mode. M1 mode, if you push M1, then want to push set button 5 seconds. Same with VV mode. And then you can change like VV mode up and down, and next step and next step. And like this, if you push 0, just push it, setting value 0, it will, when vacuum packing, vacuum for first time, it will pass it, just jumping it to next step. And then if you setting everything, and then the save again, and the first page. So M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 is same with M1 setting method. And then I want to explain to you auto button. This one, if you push auto like this, auto if you push auto one time, MN manual nozzle, and one more time auto nozzle. When you packing the after first cycle, and from after first cycle, and then second time, nozzle automatically the out from the machine. And then if you put MN manual nozzle, this one in second time will not out. So you have to push full switch, so this nozzle will be out. And then this count button, if you push count 30 seconds, you can up and high. If you push 100 or maybe 40, then save. If you packing 40 times, then this machine will be ringing. But mostly did not use this option, this function. And then if you want to make this one erase, you can make 0 and save. And then the temperature we already setting in the machine, so do not need setting again. And then one more thing is the key lock button. Key lock meaning is this time is KO, key open. If you want to change it, all the button only push one, but the key lock and key open button have to push set and key together. This is the key lock. If like this, any button will not work. So only related person, the worker, the only setting this machine. So somebody pass by this machine and push some like that, when vacuum pack, that will not good. So we make key lock button and key open button. So key open button you can setting like this, vacuum change it like this. But if you make set and key together, key lock, this one will not change it. This one all mode will not. Okay, so you have to make you can use key lock button or key open. And this is the finish of the machine. And you can setting one more mode is VS mode. VS mode is vacuum sealing mode, this one, and this one only sealing mode. And then when you setting the all the button, if you among the working time, this one all cannot setting button. So you have to force stop, and then you can push some VT button or set button, every button. If you did not make the stop or force stop button, this will not working any button. So you just stop, and then you can make setting this controller. Finish.